This video tutorial shows you how to view and manage drafts and submissions in MyCIPO Patents. From the home page of MyCIPO Patents, let's go to the Work in Progress tab. The table under the tab will allow you to locate, edit, and delete drafts that have not yet been submitted to CIPO. As noted in the blue information box, applications still in draft status 60 days after the last modified date will be automatically deleted. You may decide how many items to display on each page. The default view of displayed items will be 10, but you'll be able to change this to 20, 50, or 100 by selecting the corresponding number from the drop-down menu next to Show. If there is more than one page of items, use the Next or Previous buttons at the bottom of the table to move through the pages. You may filter the items via the Personal or Offices buttons. By default, the items are filtered by Offices. The Personal button will allow you to see all the drafts that you have created, whereas the Offices button will allow you to also see the drafts from users who are linked to the same offices as yourself. You may also filter by entering text in the Search This List field. To sort the entries in ascending or descending order, click on the column headings. Use the buttons in the Actions column to edit or delete a draft. Let's move to the Submission History tab. You may view the details, payment receipts and confirmations of submission by clicking on the corresponding buttons under Action and Documents. Hovering your mouse over the buttons will allow you to see which action corresponds to which button. It is important to note that payment receipts and confirmation of submission documents will only be accessible for 120 days after submission. Just like the Work in Progress tab, you may change the number of items displayed, filter by using the Personal or Offices buttons, or using the Search This List field, and sort items in the table by clicking on the column headings. The status of the submissions are listed in the Status column. There are 3 possible submission statuses under this tab. Received and entered in dossier means that your submission has been successfully sent to our internal IP rights management system. In submission means that the portal is actively trying to send your submission to the internal system. The status should change within the next few minutes. Received and awaiting entry in dossier means that your submission is deemed to have been received by the Commissioner, but has not been fully entered into our internal system. It's expected that this status should automatically update to Received and entered in dossier once the submission has been internally re-triggered by our team. You will only need to intervene by calling our Client Service Center if this status remains unchanged beyond 1 business day. Stay tuned for more video tutorials to continue learning about the various functionalities of MyCIPO Patents.